Kuya Ding Dong, I just want to say congratulations to the both of you, and I wish you all the best in life, and enjoy your life being a couple, and I wish you more babies, more babies, and I wish you also good health sa inyong dalawa, and syempre sa family niyo din. And ayun, best wishes sa inyo, and alam ko na sobrang perfect niyo para sa isa't isa. And ayun, may God bless you always, at wala na akong masasabi pa. Basta ayun, magpakasaya kayo, stay happy, and stay in love forever. Diba? So ayun, God bless you always, and congratulations again.